Mastering Culinary Terms, Broil Lobster Tails. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a delicious topic that's sure to add a touch of gourmet to your cooking vocabulary. We're talking about how to broil lobster tails. Whether you're a food enthusiast or just looking to expand your English language skills, understanding this phrase will not only boost your culinary lexicon but also introduce you to a classic cooking technique. Let's get started. Before we get into the nitty-gritty of broiling lobster tails, let's break down the phrases to ensure everyone's on the same page. Broil. To broil means to cook food using direct, high heat from above. This method is popular in ovens where the heat source comes from the top element. It's a quick cooking process that often results in a beautifully browned or charred exterior. Lobster tails. These are the meaty portions of a lobster found in the tail. They're prized for their rich, succulent taste and are considered a delicacy in many cuisines around the world. Now that we understand the terms, let's talk about how to broil lobster tails step by step. This is a simple yet elegant way to prepare seafood that impresses every time. 1. Preparation. Begin by thawing your lobster tails if they're frozen. Then, using kitchen shears, cut the top shell down the middle to expose the meat. Pull the shell apart slightly and lift the meat onto the shell's top, leaving it attached at the tail. This not only makes for an attractive presentation but also helps the meat cook evenly. 2. Seasoning. Brush the lobster meat with melted butter and season with salt, pepper, and any other seasonings you prefer. The butter adds flavor and helps achieve a golden brown finish. 3. Broiling. Place the prepared lobster tails on a baking sheet, then put them under the broiler in your oven. Make sure the oven rack is positioned so the lobster tails are about 4 to 6 inches from the heat source. Broil for about 8 to 10 minutes, or until the meat is opaque and slightly browned. To ensure your lobster tails turn out perfectly, here are a few tips. Watch closely. Broiling is a fast cooking method, so it's crucial to keep an eye on your lobster tails to prevent them from overcooking or burning. Temperature. Lobster tails are done when they reach an internal temperature of 140 degrees Fahrenheit, 60 degrees Celsius. Using a meat thermometer can help you achieve the perfect doneness. Serving. Serve broiled lobster tails with additional melted butter, lemon wedges, and your favorite sides. They make for an elegant main course that's sure to impress. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to broiling lobster tails. This cooking technique is not only a fantastic way to enjoy the luxurious taste of lobster but also a great skill to add to your English culinary vocabulary. We hope this video has been informative and encourages you to try broiling lobster tails at home. Happy cooking and learning!